A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue lecture number 14 on permutation and combination. Basically, this lecture is on previous year questions on permutation and combination. Already one lecture I took on it. So let us continue lecture number 14 on PYQS. Three persons enter in a lift at ground floor. The lift will go up to 10th floor. The number of ways in which three persons can exit the lift at three different floors if the lift does not stop at first, second, and third floor is equal to. This is numerical type of problem. Since lift does not stop at first, second, and third floors, therefore it stops at remaining 7 floors. Three persons can get down at remaining 7P3. Out of 7 floors, 3 persons at 3 different floors can be arranged in 7P3, which is 7 factor upon 7 minus 3 is what? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factor upon 210 ways. The answer is 210. Let S denote the set of 4-digit numbers A, B, C, D such that A is greater than B is greater than C is greater than D, and P denote the set of 5-digit numbers having product of its digit equal to 20, then N S plus NP is equal to. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 for S. Since A greater than B greater than C greater than D, therefore 4 digits can be selected in 10C4, 10 into 9 into 8 into is equal to 3, 3 are 4 will 8, cancel. 3 into 7, 210 ways. Therefore, NS will be what? For P, in case of P, product of the digit is what? We are selecting 5 digits. Product should be what? 20. So to get product 20, 0 cannot be selected. The digits will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Case 1. The digits will be 5, 4, 1, 1. The total number that can be found in this case, product will be what? 20. 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 20. Case 2. Five, 2, 2, 1, 1. Total number formed will be what? 5 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Because 2 is repeating 2 times and 1 is repeating 2 times. 120 divided by 4. 30. So NP will be what? 20 plus 30. So NS plus NP will be 260. Let ABC be 3 triangles Let ABC be a triangle. Consider 4 points P1, P2, P3, P4 on side AB. Let me draw the diagram. On side AB we have got P1, P2, P3, P4. And side BC contains P5 to P9. P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, and 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 points here. So these are the points. None of these points is a vertex of the triangle ABC. Then the total number of pentagon. Now very important thing is what pentagon. Pentagon means we need to select 5 vertices. So we can take 2 vertices from AB, 2 from BC, and 1 from AC. 2 from AB, 1 from AC, 2 from BC. For pentagon, we have to take 5 vertices. From AB, BC, and AC. They can be taken as 2, 2, 1 or 2, 1, 2 or 1, 2, 2. Therefore, number of pentagon form 2 from AB, so 4C2 into 2 from BC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there, so 5C2, and 1 from AC, 4C1, plus 2 from AB, 4C2, 1 from BC, 5C1, and 1 from BC, yeah, and 2 from AC, 4C2, plus 2C1, 4C1, 5C2, 4C2. Will give you 4C2 is what 6, 5C2 is what 10 into 4, 4C1 is 4 plus 4C2 6, 5 into 4C2 is what 6, 4C1 is what 4, into 5C2 is 10 will give you 240 plus 180 plus 240. 660 pentagons we can form. Thank you very much. Today's very important quote is what? हर सुबह एक अच्छा मौका मिलता है कुछ अच्छा करने का. Every fine morning we get chance to do something better. Thank you very much.